So student, now let's solve question number 2 of exercise 4.1. Question number 2 is, check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. A part is n plus 5 is equal to 19. Value of n is equal to 1. So student, let's solve question number 2, A part. N plus 5 is equal to 19, where n is equal to 1. Now we will put the value of n in the equation. So LHS is equal to n plus 5. Putting value of n is equal to 1 in LHS, that is n plus 5. In place of n, we will put 1. So 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. But as you know that RHS is equal to 19. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS because the value of LHS is 6 and RHS is 19. So, the value of LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, n is equal to 1 is not a solution of the equation n plus 5 is equal to 19. So, student, in this way, you have to solve A part of question number 2. B part is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, where value of n is equal to minus 2. So let's solve B part of question number 2. 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, where value of n is equal to minus 2 given. Now LHS is equal to 7n plus 5. We will put the value of n is equal to minus 2 in LHS. So putting value of n is equal to minus 2. That is equal to 7 into, in place of n we will put minus 2 plus 5. 7 into minus 2, that is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus minus minus. Our answer is minus 14 plus 5. Now minus plus minus. So we will subtract this 5 from minus 14 and our answer will be minus 9. But as you know, RHS is equal to 19 and LHS is minus 9. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, we will write n is equal to minus 2 is not a solution of the equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Now student, let's solve C part of question number 2, and that is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, where value of n is equal to 2 given. So student, let's solve C part of question number 2. That is 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, where n is equal to 2. Now we will put the value of this n in 7n plus 5. So LHS is equal to 7n plus 5. So putting value of n is equal to 2 in LHS. That is equal to 7 into 2 plus 5. Because in place of n we will put 2. 7 into 2, that is equal to 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, that is equal to 19. And our RHS is 19 given. So LHS is also 19 and RHS is also 19. So we will say that therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore n is equal to 2 is a solution of equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. Let's solve D part of question number 2, and that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, where value of p is equal to 1 given. So student, let's solve D part, that is 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, where value of p is equal to 1 given. Here LHS is 4p minus 3 and RHS is 13. So LHS is equal to 4p minus 3. Now putting the value of p is equal to 1 in LHS. In place of p we will put 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. As you know that RHS is equal to 13 given and LHS we have calculated, that is 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So we can say that P is equal to 1 is not a solution of the equation 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Students, part E and part F of question number 2, you have to do it yourself as a homework. Now we will solve question number 3 of exercise 4.1, and that is solve the following equations by trial and error method. Trial and error method or hit and error method, both are same. First part is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Now here value of p is not given and we have to find its value. This is the solution of question number 3 part 1, that is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Here the value of p is not given, so we will consider the value of p is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So by putting the value of p is equal to 0 first, LHS is 5p plus 2. In place of p we will put 0. So 5 into 0 plus 2. 5 into 0, that is equal to 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And as you know, RHS is equal to 17, that is given in the question. So LHS is not equal to RHS because LHS is 2 and RHS is 17. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. So the value of P is equal to 0 is incorrect. Now, we will put the value of P is equal to 1 in the question. So putting value of P is equal to 1 and our LHS is equal to 5p plus 2. In place of p, we will write 1. So 5 into 1 plus 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. That is 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7. And RHS is 17, that is given in the question. So we can say that LHS is not equal to RHS because LHS is 17 that we have calculated just now and RHS is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So value of P is equal to 1 is also incorrect. Now we will put the value of P is equal to 2 in equation 5P plus 2 is equal to 17. Now LHS is equal to 5P plus 2. In place of P we will put 2. So 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 into 2 that is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 that is 12. This is LHS. LHS is 12 and RHS given here is 17. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So we will say that value of P is equal to 2 is also incorrect. Now we will put the value of P is equal to 3. Here LHS is equal to 5P plus 2. Now we will put the value of this P is equal to 3 in this LHS, in this place. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 into 3 that is equal to 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 that is equal to 17. This 17 is LHS. RHS is also 17. Both are same. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, equation is satisfied when value of P is equal to 3. Therefore, P is equal to 3 is the solution of equation. So student, we will end our video here only. We will solve the remaining questions of exercise 4.1 in our next video. So up till then, goodbye and thank you.